of human beings.
Exactly.
Now, Joyce Bawa Kroya, she equally participated in the Air Ghana saga.
Okay.
Drama, they are clueless about their own governance.
Okay. So the thing is, if unima dear koso abemu, at least you are the presidency, yes, senior presidential staffer.
Abuza for Mamunya Makwaba at the Ghana and 7 TV so. Bomba de like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this teacher ba also sabit makabi. Na so watch your comment section there. Say Mr. President. Mo ntine ye ha. The mom exclusive news. Nti wada manyamre ne pemre so. Na hwe videos no. Na chewa your comment section ko enu nyina na ye adwuma no. Your target is at the end of the day 2028. You betimi the new patriotic party. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia a presidential candidate. Ye aba power. Na baje Ghana free museum kwaso mu. Na George Bawa and those Bauer families, any NDC for, especially the presidential staffers, no good jubilee house. Omusia, so omunamna, oma is so confused. On say, entokofo wa na to akeka. Ibi na to NDC for ni. Abusia mbeje de say me mo kasa yi no, enkomodi de ekoso ni no mo peso me nyina ye say as achievement a NPP enya nyina no, they want to claim it. Aye. Na mobile bam crampo no 1 year and still counting. Echo 2 years. Big push campo munya completely back okra. Na so me no kasa road construction sa NPP na dan kwa kufa Dr. Alhaji omunim die no munya nsem ye de bo Ghana fo no. E say eno na fe don person claim ownership so omun na de aba omun na aye. Na mobile motima ko omun timi construct even mensa betum kwan crampo omun timi nya bi. Yet omun say because of more power. No motima nya sikede twa bloggers kanti. Ombetimi akeka omo ho abo no mayede o ma che o ma jodo mo no ogusu no wakem say oh we kwampa na do ye na me pacho 2022 na NDC na power 2023 na NDC na power 2023 and 2024 na NDC na power in fact 2018 na NDC na power 2019 na NDC na power 2020 na NDC na power inti eba de say na for the achievement and anyoma the new patriotic party Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na Addo Akufo-Addo do bibi o mo ye ma de ma Ghana for na for the mo na mo se mo na mo yede ba sabi aban woni amamu no o tinye project bi wane yi I mean say NDC for no ye no ma bi a sabi odwen ho a hunu kwan a wo fa so krampo ehun se do mo dwen fa mo fa Ghana fo mo ba ka e koso Bank of Ghana mo ba school say the school for nkora mo show money ya ne atete ene ne na atete na mo de show mo krampo Ghana fo ni bi krampo ye je de say because na na dan ko for ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud e free senior high school but mo show money ye no ebuo ma bam nyesa Sabi, Ghana from ko to abade ma no free senior high school kwa na bi kan no to abade ma. Na free senior high school ni sabi enye NPP eni nkwa na ye ma Ghana fu nyina. It no matter so be NPP so be NDC. O ko free senior high school ye mo so your political party be sabi ye mfa party card ene ko secondary school. Ye the results ene ko secondary school. Mo ba mo say education center no ma ye basa. Ye no how na do so mo to so kasampo. Mo ti ko nkasa. Se bibia e ko bokwa Nka how na do so enim no. You know, how na do for some of us are yesterday from afar. We know he's a very tactical politician. But it's so no man na call west, no man na call
A guy be a friend Michael Ayason. I don't know making that post concerning the road from Tamale to Yendi. And then ono share. So that should clearly let you know the kind of people or more
They are clueless bunch of human beings.
Exactly.
Now, Joyce Bawa Kroya, she equally participated in the Air Ghana saga.
Okay.
Drama, they are clueless about their own governance.
Okay. So the thing is, if Unimadi Koso Abemu, at least you are the presidency, yes, senior presidential staffer. And BBC cry, you first of all need to cross check. And because even some of us cry in position biano, some information biana ubet me their call out. You need to be very, very sure about that so that you can mount a very solid defense for whatever you say. But these are people. Omodi and say pay as you go. Yen konkwa. The focus is not about go and churning out credible information. No, Omodi and say let's always bring out information to entertain our base. And I don't know if they are that achievement bankruptcy, and I believe they have some achievement bankruptcy because only achievement bankruptcy. Why is it say you can't share what your government has been able to do for the past 2 years? Whatever you are doing is said, yeah, you know, and I will share. Yesterday, I dealt with this particular issue. Say, you can't come and tell us, say, Tamale Yendi Road, you know, free abemo. Now it was almost close to 80% completion. So when we say the Adam is about 20%. You can't do 20% and come and tell us that we should praise John Mahama and we should praise Big Push for the 20%. And I say why you cry? You can't come and tell us we should praise Big Push and praise John Mahama. And if that's the case, then we can equally say that we should praise Nanado for Terminal 3 and KJT Market. If that's the way, because I could find in a complete Terminal 3, I could find in a complete KJT Market, and the records are there. But no, we are not achievement. We are not bankrupt when it comes to achievement. There are so many things about media. So we don't need to come and steal someone's project or try our possible best to say oh we near by hook or crook fancy yeah and I have go about on a base who say yeah baby. We serious person and I will say such a road within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. Who is serious individual or gang? And Rebecca said within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. But yes, they know their audience. They know the people that they are dealing with. The people who choose Nkukwankiti over digitalization. People who choose Kenke and Fish over digitalization there. Say Anna Abinobe will manage you. Say Anna the government will think about you. Say Anna Abinobe will say, oh, yeah, because you don't think, you don't research, you don't look for facts. Because someone got something from Pomonshire and mo base on 6 million. So anytime that they feel like bringing set things out, you know, they should know that we, the 4 million, are there to expose their hypocrisy. We are there to expose their lies and their deception. The Nipa Crow, yes, are supposed to know. Delete. So the thing, Okoshe Joyce Muktari, it is still there. The share no but content in ho because any Crow no share on
contracts. And you won't pay contracts in any pan one farmer when your case you make a biama. We NDC appointee, I say NDC Niba also a contractor. Money be that has a crime and contracts on your contractors who know you quine. No, you quine. Now you are not catch up President Mahama say, Big Push no money be. Yay, contractor. It's a more power with the day in the Bessie. Industry ya woman, yeah, media industry, you cry your woman. Ya me patch for the past 8 years. Yenim dia course wo. Yenim senior NPP for a treaty NPP journalist. Modia different. More opposition and more value media. More power na more refi. Now for more who say platform biso me wa. Now for na mo be yi one popular na one enya popular. Ya kwaka no abaka kire me say o say o eye bia ya titi de wo nkotire ba bia wo tire TV so nka me ho asembone asa ya nkoto eda ya nkoto ayeda Mustafa Hamida mi hu say sa amamo na obebu ye no ti na unemployment
ne dikan ya pese na kumia hu say alanche mantin onye pantreman no modi de wiam na basisa ngugu akwa ko hu padane de emaso Agyeta Alanchaman said omu hwampo ana benya tabukudo.
Accra FM.
And I can tell you on authority, sir, from the one Alanchaman think I say what home of elections more MPP mo what home ABC not a call from Akufo-Addo or Bawumia. That time, Omanane president and the vice president, none of them was able to pick a phone and call say, oh, maybe I have to say granty, I had and I say this, what you man say, Timmy, your Mogi Kano, I link service or Moka Sabun from Mukeke. None of them can approach even a Alanko de Chamande.
Opinions said the working a yaudie. Oh, a year, the non person roll and Tamatin, one day, no born aboard the Tonchain, and an amsma before buy our free will be answered said before bomb son was I yaudien, a be and campaign for bow and chain. Now come over Casa, a be a nancantia, say Juma, Emma say yaudien, every free say, Woma Miss Wanya, Woma Miano, no. The young Kamun is San Camono, and said your papa before the film at the MPP for Yahoo say, a Bianos San Commissar back for Vanabano, and come on you to Nan Camono Penny Cran Casa, no son a chima.
Ya di anything uncle for Eshera no Bokai, and telling the and yet a Yibia, or because a beer, or dear Ontino a program. On yet. Aha, it is Alandia, may count authority. Sir and Comma or near dear. There is no way. Or by an or go back to MPP. It will not happen. It is our time now, or Mobakas or Mode Ball and Horn in our between common. Almost our time no compare campaign. Let me see some people for say Allah or Nyobia. And the Obia or Nyobia there. I didn't have a mobile one say, yes, I'm Baba Father no Baba Kaman. Pardon me, it's not going to work today or tomorrow. But we just want them to understand. So, my party now good. Or my mobile bintra, or Musha come the Faso. I see it. Now, it's also no. Yanya, yes, we are party for Juma. That be ya employee. Is it at times or cats in here? I'm here or cats are no papa. So they can you sit down and wait for all this while? Nipano Apako register the party but they don't work as all our regional offices are ready. Just a
okay.
You put up regional executives, you put up constituency executives. In some cases, or more working on the polling stations. No, I can say, there's a Oho Fenchi. Align Yata and the Jumani in Aho. Roma Mekau. Namuka, Mope to be the Munimalan. Or Munyano Mokan and an idea by Yajuma.
Yo, San Yadmadi Openima, Yana was say, now I am found
Kakono. Chesa NDC for audio mo echi ahu wo be kasa ma wotiri nyina be yo ya wo sori anope bia na NDC for the kwase asem ne nsɛmfun dem every morning for the past 3 weeks chesa yenya nyansasem bia ntie mfiri obo obia wo party nim sabe bi wagimi everybody government nkoye ase educate aso de ne de enam yesi ozo okoto enwo no for na yesi na koma ayese because Mahama Nkrofo ne se omra tete ekintokwa epie wo party mu a se e kasa chairman ne Mahama group nkasa
na fila
Mahama group nkasa chairman na North region gusu ye thank you to na chairman e ye election wie mfie mienu ye gusu ye thank you to when me dey Ghana ashom nsaw nti ebe ye de ne ye international disgrace for the past 24 hours ya Ghana di bi aye born internationally bi aye nimguase ya MP nsusu na onu si ochina court won Netherlands okoshuruba from extradition ebeba so ena me koti a adenti no tu kwa ya si oso okọ ne ba birthday party na sa no bi kan kire me so she on Friday no se den o kwa o be so me kwa brochira ba o kwa he o se me kwa UK na wo UK so mo no wasam o se me kwa me ba birthday party ena wa kwa ya kwachiri no say yes FBI for na hu no say oba UK on ma Heathrow straight no mo achi no so mo hwe no US UK so de o metimi afa no eti okwa na ode nam Amsterdam ne he ina nkrofo na ateta na no mo so ne musa ekua na yenya show
obi atro wa ha say